Hello guys, welcome back to our second part of Statistics Chapter 1, 11th class. So we will now study the singular noun form of statistics. After studying statistics in a plural noun, now we will see that how statistics can be in a singular noun. So, statistics may be defined as a collection of data, then it would be presented. So, presentation of data, then the presented data is analyzed. So, analysis of data, and then the analyzed data is interpreted. So, these all things are done with the numerical form of data. So, there are 5 stages in singular noun. So, stage 1 is collection, which can be done through census, which are conducted in a short duration of time by the government. Stage 2 is organization, which can be done through telebars. Stage 3 is presentation, which can be done through tables, graphs, diagrams, etc. Stage 4 is analysis, which can be done through percentages, averages, correlation, regression. Stage 5 is interpretation, which can be done through taking out the averages and telling the degree of relationship between the different economic variables. So now covering the topic of nature, limitation and importance of statistics. Basically, the nature of statistics is divided into 2 parts, descriptive and inferential. So descriptive involves collection of data and then presenting the data, which is also called as presentation of data, and then analyzing the presented data. Then the inferential just includes the conclusion of data. So now coming out on the limitations. So limitations of the statistics are, it only shows the numerical facts and figures and numerical data only. So it doesn't include any other data, it just includes the numerical figures only. The second point is, it studies the aggregate values only. As we studied in the example, that it was not covering an individual data, but it was only covering average or the aggregate data. So statistics only covers a aggregate value only. The third point is, it gives a uniformity or the homogeneity to the data. The fourth point is, it can be used by the experts only, because it can be dangerous if used by the inexperts. So only experts can use it properly. The fifth point is, prone to misuse. The statistical data is more prone to be misused by the secondary data collection people. So we can now conclude the limitation of statistics as, the statistics can be a god or a devil as per your usage. So use it wisely. Importance of statistics. So the first importance of statistics is intersectoral and intertemporal comparisons. So you would be wondering that what is this? So intersectoral comparisons are those comparisons which are done from the different sectors of economy. And intertemporal comparisons are those comparisons which measures the magnitude of problem over time, as the problems changes, as when it was 90s, so the problems were different in the economy, and in 21st century it is different. So it measures the magnitude of the problems in the economy. So you would be clear with the first point. The second point is working out with cause and effect relationship. You have heard this right. So statistics is basically science and arts. So it includes the science which covers the cause and effect relationship between the data, as nothing is done without cause and effect relationship. So that statistical data measures each and every statistical cause and effect relationship. The third point is economic equilibrium. So it measures that how many consumers and producers are there in the market, and accordingly we need to supply the product, and accordingly we need to create the demand. So the demand and supply go hand in hand, and the consumer and producers go hand in hand. So it creates an economic equilibrium. Then the fourth point is economic forecasting. So basically, economic forecasting means that we forecast the economy in advance so that we shouldn't face any problem in future. And if there would be a future in or imbalance in the economy, so the experts would guide us and would tell how to manage them properly. The fifth point is formulation of policies. So the Planning Commission of India forms many policies for the economy to cover all the datas and all the economic problems which would be coming in future, and plans the budget accordingly. So that's it. So we have completed the first chapter of statistics. Do like, share and subscribe my channel, and hope you liked my video.